Designed to jumpstart Europe's economies due to the various COVID-19 lockdowns, the Recovery and Resilience Facility was also created to build a digital, greener and stronger future. However, in the last few years, Europe has been hit by the war in Ukraine and high inflation. RRF payments are unlocked when a country meets agreed milestones and targets. To date, more than a third of the RRF has been dispersed, with many countries surpassing the 37% they must spend on climate-related projects. Annual energy consumption rates have dropped by 28 million megawatts across the European continent. And almost 9 million people have benefited from measures to protect against flooding and wildfires. On the digital front, an additional 5.6 million households now have high-speed internet access. With modernisation of public infrastructure also a top priority, the current goal is to accelerate disbursement before the 2026 deadline.